Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Shall we start the chapter? Trigonometric equation. Shall I do
Sir, I
one?
have,
You have how many doubts?
sir, I have only one question doubt, sir.
Only one
Sir,
question I
could
will do
you-
today. Tell which one.
Sir, your voice is low. Could you keep your mic little front?
Tell the question, I will keep it. Tell the question.
So the question is, if A, B, C, D are the smallest positive angles in ascending order of magnitude, which of these, which have their signs equal to the positive value of P, where P is less than 1, then 4 sin A by 2 plus 3 sin B by 2 plus 2 sin C by 2 plus sin D by 2 is equal to.
Can you hear me now? People, is my voice still breaking or can you hear me clearly?
Sir,
We can hear you.
I can
yes, sir,
hear
we
you.
can hear you.
Okay. One question I will do. If somebody has doubt in other question, I will do then Wednesday, because I have to start new chapter. So this question which he is asking, that I will do now. That is a good question, but I don't know where it is. Here. Is there any student who has done that particular question which this boy is asking? Has anyone done that sum? Has anyone done that sum? Girls, have you tried? Even you didn't try also, girls.
No, sir.
Girls, can you hear me or not? Did you not try also that sum?
No.
I'm not able to find that question. That is the problem. Oh, I found it. All of you write that question so that I can do that sum. Girls are not giving answer. Do you study or not nowadays? If A, B, C, D are the smallest angle, positive angles in ascending order, this word is very important, in ascending order of magnitude, the angles are increasing in magnitude, which have, see student, you know very well, there can be more than one angle for which the signs can have same value. So here also the smallest positive angles in ascending order, 4 smallest positive angles in ascending order of magnitude, which have their same sign, which have their sign equal to P, positive value P, P less than 1, obviously P will be less than 1. Then we have to find the value of 4 sin A by 2 plus 3 sin B by 2 plus 2 sin C by 2 plus sin D by 2 is equal to. Now student, as I was telling you that there can be many angles whose sign can be same. But I want the smallest positive angle. Answer. Let A, B, C, D are smallest positive angle. Let angle A is equal to X. Let angle A is equal to X. Angle A will have some value. So I assume it as X. So don't write sin X. Sin X will have some answer. What answer sin X will have? Suppose sin X has answer P. Not suppose, it has P value. Now tell me the next angle whose sign is again P. Student, use the allied angle information and tell me what is the
sin 180 minus 6 and sin
so
180
what
plus
happens,
6.
student? When sin X is P, even sin 180 minus X will be P only. Why? Because sin 180 minus X is sin X. Sin X is P. What is the next angle whose sign is P only? Hey, tell fast. Allied angle. Sin.
Sir, x plus 2 pi.
2 pi plus x. There is no angle before 2 pi plus x whose sign is p, because in third quadrant and fourth quadrant, sign will be negative. See here, one angle we got in first quadrant. The next angle we got in second quadrant. Now, third and fourth, there will be no angle whose sign will be p, because these are negative. So we'll get again in this quadrant. So it will be 2 pi plus x, and next will be what? Next will be what? 2 pi plus x. Next will be what?
Sir, p can also be negative, no, sir, because it's a variable and it is less than 1.
Yeah. I'll attend it out. What will the next one? 3
3
pi minus.
pi minus x.
What is the doubt, student? Tell me.
Sir, p also can be negative, no, sir, for
No,
any
p is
positive
p
angle.
only, student. P means one value. Can you say 2 means,
Sir,
when they say 2, you will consider minus 2 also. P means p only, na, student.
but sir, p is a variable, so it can lie within sign function.
They told positive p. I think I didn't wrote, but in the question they wrote positive p. Hello.
Okay, yes, sir. There is positive p.
They wrote positive p means we cannot take negative p. Positive p means the angle will be in first quadrant, second quadrant, then again here. Is this angles clear to you, girls? Ria?
Yes,
So now what we got? The first angle A is x. Angle B how much, students? What is angle B? Tell some answer.
Pi minus x.
180 minus x. What is the angle C? 2 pi plus x, because they told ascending order. Or you can write this only good, na, 2 pi plus x. And angle D, 3 pi minus x. Till now, if anybody has doubt, can ask me, because we are able to find 4 angles in ascending order whose sign is same only, P. Any boy or any girl has doubt, ask me right now. Otherwise, I will proceed. Now the work left is just substitute the value. What value they want? 4 sine A by 2 plus 3 sine B by 2 plus 2 sine C by 2 sine D by 2. Just substitute the value. So 4 sine, student, I will do orally. A by 2 means how much I should write? Hey, tell fast, I don't know. A by 2.
X
By
2.
2 plus 3 sine B by 2. 90 minus x, B by 2. Divide by 2. 2 sine C by 2. C by 2 means pi, something wrong I wrote. 90 minus x by 2 will come. Divide by 2. Pi plus x by 2. Sine D by 2. Divide D by 2. What will get? 3 pi by 2 minus x by 2. I'll stop here and you can ask some doubt. A by 2 means divide by 2. B by 2 means divide angle B by 2. Use allied angle. 4 sine x by 2 plus 3. Sine 90 minus theta. Tell students.
Cos theta.
Cos
x by 2. Sine 180 plus x by 2. Minus sine x
minus
by 2.
sin x by 2.
Sine 3 pi by 2 minus x by 2. 270 minus x by 2. Minus sine x by 2. I
So
hope
will
Is it
it not be
cos?
plus sin x by 2?
it will be cos here. Cos is correct. What is the doubt?
Yeah.
Only cos will be 3 pi by 2, it changes. Now what happened? Like terms you can subtract. 4 sin x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2. What is 4 minus 2? 2. Sin x by 2 and 3 minus 1 again 2 cos x by 2. 2 common, not 2 common. Okay, now what happens, student? They are asking how much this is equal to now. So we got this much, 2, okay, we got this much. Now what we can do now? So what we'll do, here we wrote something, 4 sine A by 2 plus 3 sine B by 2 plus 2 sine C by 2 plus sine D by 2. We'll assume this as y. Suppose the value is y. Here also y, here also y, here also y. Now we'll do squaring both sides. Because we need the answer in P. What is P? P is sine of x. Squaring both sides. I think all of you can see the board. Anytime you cannot see the board, ask me. Squaring both sides, what it becomes? Y square. Left side, what it becomes, student? A plus B whole square. Tell me. 2 common, 4. A plus B whole square. Sine square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2. I took 2 common. That's why 2 common became 4. Student, what is the left hand side? Very good question. This is left hand side is y square. What is right hand side? See here. Sine square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. How much?
1.
1. So 1. And the other one is how much? 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2.
Sin x by 2.
Sine,
Only sine
And
x.
2x by 2.
Only
x.
sine x, student. It is sub multiple angle formula. Sine 2 theta. Did you understood or shall I teach again?
No, sir, I understand.
Now what happened? I need the value of y. Moreover, what is the value of sine x? Anybody knows the value of sine x?
P.
Very good. Sine x is P. We know in the beginning only now. They gave in the question. P. I want only y value. Y square will go other side, become 2 square root 1 plus P. This is the answer. Copy down. Dot means you can ask. Actually here plus minus will come, but it depends on option, what option they have given. Today, too many derivation we have to do. Copy down this. If anybody else has doubt in homework, you can ask on Wednesday. Apart from this, Harsh sir has given you some PDF from Arihant, I think. Are you doing or not that one?
Sir, we had a test, so we didn't do it yet.
Whenever you get time, you do it, because I think next week he will conduct test on this chapter, the previous chapter, trigonometric function and identity. So you do that sum. I think he has given along with the question answer also. You try without seeing the answer, but if not possible means you refer the answer and try to understand. But answer has to be seen only in the last stage, not in the beginning only see the answer. No use. And then also by seeing answer also you don't understand means you ask me. Because next Tuesday I think you may have test on maths. In this sum which I have done on the board, anybody has doubt, ask me. The student who has asked this question now, have you understood, student?
Yes, sir.
Before, what was the doubt? Why did you not do this way?
Sir, I didn't know values of ABCD. I didn't think of allied angles.
Easy only, na student. They tell the 4 angles which are same sign. There are so many angles now. This process will continue. After 3 pi by x, 3 pi minus x, next will be 5 pi plus x. This will continue, periodic function. Infinite angles will get. That's why I told you spend some time in reading the sum. Read 4 times, you will understand. I will erase the board. Anybody has doubt, ask me right now. Girls, shall I erase the board?
Yes, sir.
Sri Lakshmi, shall I erase the board?
Yes,
Nobody? Good, good. Now, student, coming to trigonometric equation, as I was telling you the other day, the definition of trigonometric equation. Trigonometric equation. Equation means you know. You have learned in school only equation. There will be left hand side, right hand side. Equation is a statement of equality. But what is trigonometric equation? Trigonometric equation also will be an equation, but in that equation, the trigonometric function will be the variable, or the angle of it will be variable. Already I have given you the definition, I will tell orally. Trigonometric equation is a equation in which trigonometric function, okay, an equation in which trigonometric function behave as the variable is called as trigonometric equation. An equation having trigonometric function as variable is known as trigonometric equation. Student, as I told you, you have learned equation in the school also. If I say find the solution of the equation, what do you mean by that? If I say x plus 2 is equal to 3, find the solution. What do you mean by finding the solution? Anybody?
To find the value of x such that LHS is equal to RHS.
Very good, excellent. Find the value of x which satisfies the equation. What do you mean by satisfy the equation? Find the value of x for which left hand side becomes equal to right hand side. That is the solution. Same way here also, we will not only read what is trigonometric equation, but main thing is finding the solution of trigonometric equation. So if I say what we mean by solution of a, write down, of a trigonometric equation. Write down all of you, solution of a trigonometric equation. Solution of a trigonometric equation is the value of the unknown angle, is the value of the unknown angle for which left hand side becomes equal to right hand side, or for which okay, unknown angle which satisfies the equation, meaning is same, which satisfies the equation. Satisfies the equation means left hand side becomes equal to right hand side. Solution of a trigonometric equation is the value of the unknown angle which satisfies the trigonometric equation. I hope you understood. They will give us trigonometric equation. In trigonometric equation, there will be trigonometric function. The angle we have to find for which left hand side becomes equal to right hand side. When we do the sum, you will understand. Now there are two types of solution. Write down, there are two types of solution of a trigonometric equation. There are two types of solution we are going to study. Both are solution only. So there are two types of solutions of a trigonometric equation. What are those two types of solution? First one, principal solution. In the exam, they will say find the principal solution. Next one is, write down, second one, general solution. General solution. There are two types of solution. First one, principal solution. Second one, general solution. Now one by one we will study what we mean by principal solution, what we mean by general solution. As I told you earlier, both are solution. Both are value of the unknown angle for which left hand side becomes equal to right hand side, but then also there is a difference. Shall I erase the board?
No, sir, 1 minute. Yes, sir. Done.
Now we will study one by one. First principal solution, then general solution. Write down principal solution, arrow mark. Principal solution. As I told you, principal solution means solution only. Principal solution. Write down solution of a trigonometric equation. Solution of a trigonometric equation in an unknown angle x, unknown angle x. Always the trigonometric equation will be in terms of some angle, unknown angle x, such that the value of the, and our work is to find that unknown angle. That is the solution. Solution of a trigonometric equation which is in an unknown angle x, such that x is, the angle is greater than equal to 0 and less than 2 pi, is called as principal solution. Principal solution. Student, somebody asks you, find the solution. So find the value of angle, that is the meaning. So if you find the value of angle such that angle value lies between 0 and 2 pi, such values of angle is called as solution, but principal solution. I will give a small example. Small example. If I say sin x is equal to 1 by 2, solve this equation. Sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Solve this equation means what is the value of x such that sin x is 1 by 2? Anybody knows?
Sir, it would be 30 degrees or 150 degrees.
Radian. X is equal to pi by 6. But miss, I am interested in principal solution. So pi by 6. 30 degree is obviously more than 0 or equal to 0 less than 2 pi. Principal solution. Can you tell one more angle? One boy is telling. So what you do? Sine.
Sir, 5 pi by 6.
Very good. 5 pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6. See, student. Sine pi minus pi by 6 is what? Sine 180 minus theta. Again, sine theta, you will get same thing. So answer is sine 5 pi by 6. So the answer is pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. If you're not understanding, it is okay. I'm not just giving an example. I'll teach in detail. So these two angles are solution. But these two solutions are principal solution because one angle is 30 degree. The other one is 150. 30 and 150 are between 0 and 360. If you find the angles, answers whose value is between 0 and 360 means that answer is principal solution. Copy down. Sine pi minus pi by 6 is sine pi by 6. It is 1 by 2 only. But the answer is 5 pi by 6 here. Allied angle, you have to revise. Allied angle, too many times it is used.
Sir, it can even be 11 pi by 6, right?
11 pi by 6, it is wrong. I will say tell you why it is wrong. Suppose I find sine 11 pi by 6. What is sine 11 pi by 6 value? Sine, how to write, student? 11 pi by 6. 2 pi minus pi by 6. Sine 2 pi minus theta, how much, student?
So it will be minus
sine.
sine.
Minus sine pi by 6. Minus sine pi by 6 is minus 1 by 2. I am not interested in minus 1 by 2. My 1 by 2. So obviously 11 pi by 6 is wrong. If they ask minus 1 by 2, that time 11 pi by 6 is correct. So principal solution, every time you will get 2 answers only. If somebody tell you find principal solution means you will get 2 answers every time. Not more than 2. I think this girl understood, na? Hello, have you understood?
Yes, sir, I understand.
11 pi by 6, not correct. Solution of a trigonometric equation. The equation is an unknown angle x such that the value of the angle is more than equal to 0 or less than 2 pi. Such answers, such angle x are called as principal solution. Shall I raise the board? Anybody has doubt can ask me now. Anybody has doubt?
No,
Say,
sir.
no, sir.
No, sir.
We'll go for general solution now. General solution. Solution of a trigonometric equation. Solution of a trigonometric equation using its periodicity. Periodicity is called as general solution. You people know very well all the trigonometric equations are periodic. All the trigonometric equations are periodic. They will repeat their values after certain time, like sin x, cos x, cosecant x, secant x period is 2 pi, whereas tan x, cot x period is pi. So if we are writing the answer, if we are writing the solution with the help of periodicity, then that solution will become general solution. For example, now suppose I say cos x is equal to 1 by 2. So what is x then? X how much, student?
Sir, 2 pi plus pi by 6.
Okay, principal
Pi
solution
by
you tell me.
3.
Principal solution. Principal
Pi by
solution.
6.
Pi by 3.
Pi by 6.
Cos
Sorry,
x
pi by 3. Pi
3
by 3.
and
Pi
what
by 3.
else? Two solutions are 2 pi minus pi by 3. What is the answer? 5 pi. No, how this will come I will teach you. Don't worry. Nobody should worry. I'm not teaching this. This part I'm not teaching. Only upper part I'm teaching. This will I'll teach again. So this is the answer. This is principal solution. Somebody says general solution. Tell me. Take so general solution will be, again I'm saying I'll teach all this again, don't worry. General solution, only this part you have to understand. General solution, so x is equal to, you should write like this way, 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. This is the general solution. N belong integer. How this will come I will teach right now, don't worry. This part you need not understand, I will teach again. So if you write this way, 2n pi plus minus pi by 3, then it will become general solution. How to write this way I will teach now, don't worry. So what happened, if we use the periodicity, then writing the solution means general solution. General solution means we are writing all the answers. Principal solution means 2 answers, but you know there are many infinite angles whose cos will be same, sine will be same. So writing all those answers, all the answers how to write, general only we can write now. So that is called general solution, all the solutions. So solutions of a trigonometric equation using its periodicity is called as general solution. Shall I erase the board? This part I will teach again, don't worry.
Yes, sir, you can erase it.
Now whatever I'm teaching, everybody has to understand everything. It is not like it is not meant for you. Write down type 1 formulas. First type of formulas. If I say sin x is equal to 0, then what is x? Sin x is 0, so x is how much?
0 pi.
0.
Implies x is equal, general, imply x is equal to n pi. N belong integer. This you have to understand. Now what I will do, how I get n pi, for that I will draw the graph of sin x and teach you. I can teach the other way also, but graph is easy. Somebody says what is, if sin x is 0, what is the x value? X will be n pi, n will be an integer. You can put any integer. Means you put 0. So x will be how much? 0. You put 1, x will be how much? Pi. So you know sine 0 is 0, sine pi is 0, sine 2 pi is 0, sine 3 pi, every pi is 0. So this is the answer. X is equal to n pi, n belong integer. How? We can analyze this easily by graph. Without graph also we can analyze, that is not a thing, but graph is easy. The other day I was teaching you graph of sin x. Very simple graph. The graph will be between 1 and -1. And here we get 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 5 pi by 2, 3 pi, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi, minus 5 pi by 2, minus 3 pi. So you remember the graph. Sine 0 was 0, sine pi by 2 was 1. So how was the graph? There was crust and trough. Okay. Just for your understanding I'm drawing. This way some type graph was there. Now tell me, I hope all of you know reading the graph in 10th standard or in physics, time distance graph, how to read. So X value is on X axis and Y value is vertically upwards. All of you know now reading the graph. Now tell me, at what value sin X is 0? When is Y 0? Y is 0 at 0 degree. At, see here, 0 means it will the graph will intersect the X axis. At sin pi, the graph is 0. It is intersecting the X axis. At 2 pi, the graph is intersecting the X axis. It is 0. At 3 pi, the graph is intersecting X axis. It is 0. The ordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0. Sin minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi. If you extend the graph, you will get more pi's. So can't I write generally that sin X is 0 means the angle will be n pi, n belong integer? Who didn't understood? By this graph, can we say or not say?
Yes, sir.
Or one theoretical method also is there. Proof and all they will not ask. But this is better method. Now from graph you can see now. Sin 0, 0, sin pi 0, sin 2 pi 0, sin 3 pi. Because it is intersecting the x-axis. Y is becoming 0. Sin minus pi 0, sin minus 2 pi 0, minus 3 pi 0. So we can say sin x is 0 means x is n pi. Is this understandable? Shall I erase the board?
Sir, just 1 minute.
So 1 minute.
Easily by graph. That's the reason graph is taught. Graph is very helpful. Venn diagram is very helpful in sets chapter. Over.
Sir, wait, sir.
Crust and trough should be identical, not one small, one big.
Completed, sir.
Now, if I say second formula, sin x is equal to 1. If sin x is 1, then what is x? General solution. What is x? So I will help
Sir,
you.
odd multiples of pi.
We'll see. Sin x is 1 means which angle? 1. Pi by 2. You see, x is pi by 2. Y became 1. So at pi by 2. Next is what? When it is 1, student, pi by 2 and
5 pi by 2.
5 pi by 2. Next will be which angle? Pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. Next will be what? See the pattern.
7 pi by 2.
7 pi by 2 or 9 pi by 2?
9 pi by 2.
9 pi, correct na? Not correct?
It's 4n plus 1, no, sir.
So 9 pi by 2. Suppose you want to find in AP, in 10th class in AP chapter, have you learned how to write general term? Like this boy is telling orally also. Suppose I take pi by 2 common. So what I got? 159. 159 dot dot dot. 159 is which series? Hey, 159 is which
4n
series?
plus 1.
Girls.
Sir, it's an AP. Common difference is 4.
AP. So AP general term how to write? A plus n minus 1 D. What is the A? Girls, you have to tell the answer. What is A?
1. 1.
N means N. What is common difference?
4.
4. So, but answer is not coming. Something wrong I told. What is wrong? So it is correct only. So what happened? Open the bracket. What you will get? Pi by 2, 4n minus 3. This is not good actually. The answer was how much you told, boy? 4n plus 1.
4n plus 1.
But we are not getting 4n plus 1. Why we are not getting 4n plus 1? 4n plus 1 is correct.
Sir,
I said 2n plus 1.
Hello?
I said
Tell boy.
2n plus 1 actually.
Tell again. Hello, tell me. Please tell me.
Sir,
here
shouldn't
if
be
I
not be 2n plus 1.
2n plus 1 will not help. 4n plus 1 is the answer. But we are not getting 4n plus 1 now. 4n plus 1.
here if we keep uh, n is equal to
Correct. Here
minus
we are
1.
4n plus 1. No? We are
Sir,
getting
if you
actually
keep-
answer.
Sir, if we
So
keep
what
n
happened?
is equal to minus 1.
So what we'll do here? So what we'll do? 4n plus 1. No? Plus 4 minus 1. No? Gone. It's not there. What you are saying? Tell me again.
Sir, if we keep here n is equal to minus 1, sir, then it results to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 pi by 2.
That is correct. Now minus 3 pi by 2 is 1.
Sorry. Minus 3 pi, sir.
Minus 3 pi.
Yes, sir. Then, sir, once put minus 1 and check.
Minus 1 if I put means you will getting minus 7 now. Minus 7 pi by 2. 0 means minus 3 pi by 2. It is correct only, student.
Okay.
Why it is not coming? 4n plus 1 pi by 2. 4n.
Sir, in this case, n is natural number, sir. Or a number with where n is not equal to 0.
4n plus 1. 4n plus 1. We should get like this way, 4n plus 1 pi by 2. But that is correct also now. See here, we're getting the answer here. 4n plus 1.
Sir, in the case which you have proved, sir, there n is not equal to 0, sir.
Why? n is 0 means we are getting an answer.
Okay. Yes, sir, we get answer.
1 will get means pi by 2 also we are getting.
Sir, but in AP we don't consider fractions or negative number, right?
No, we can consider. N means no, we can consider now. Common difference can be negative also.
Sir,
Sir, n cannot be
n
negative.
cannot be negative. N cannot be negative.
So shall we do orally only then? See, actually, not
Yes, sir.
like this way. See here, it is there. We can do orally. If something is there, means I will teach in next class. We should not waste time. Pi by 2. This means it is 1 pi by 2, comma 5 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2. So it is like 159. So it is more than 4, multiple of 4 plus 1. See, 1 is there, then 5 is there, then 9. Next will be 13. So I think by this pattern, orally also we can do that. General term will be 4n plus 1 pi by 2. N belong integer. Write down this one. I will again see that by AP why it is not coming, but I think you can understand 4n plus 1 pi by 2 will give all the answers. Whether it is negative also it will give because n is integer. So negative means we are getting minus 3 pi by 2. We'll get the answer. Why AP we are not getting, I will do more research and tell you. Write down. Sin x is 1 means x is 4n plus 1 pi by 2. Is it over? Next is sin x is minus 1. Minus 1, where it is becoming minus 1, student? Student, where sin x is becoming minus 1, minus 1.
Minus-
At minus 5 pi by 2, minus pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, then 7 pi by 2. So how to write in journal 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2? Anybody?
4n minus 1
4n
pi by
minus
2.
1 pi by 2. So the answer is x is equal to 4n minus 1 pi by 2, general answer. By this expression, we can get all the answer, minus 5 pi by 2, minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, because 3, 7, next will be 11. It is 1 less than the multiple of 4. So 4n minus 1 pi by 2 is the answer. Sin x is 1, answer is 4n plus 1 pi by 2. Sin x is minus 1, answer is 4n minus 1 pi by 2. Write down, and it is not only write down, you can ask something if you want. But this formula you have to by heart. Journal we have to write, means we have to consider all the angles. So that's why 4n plus 1 pi by 2, n is integer. Is there anyone who want to ask some question to me?
Sir. I had this doubt very long ago, sir. Can I ask it now?
Other topic?
Yes, sir.
Wait, this one, okay. After
Sir.
8:30 you can ask me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next one. This is over. Next one, cos x. Cos x is 0. Cos x is 0 means what is the angle? Answer, x is how much? So again, to understand this, we can draw the graph of cos x. That also you people know very well, graph of cos x. How it looks like. So the graph will be between 1 and minus 1. There will be angle, draw fast, 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 3 pi. And left hand side, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi, minus 5 pi by 2, minus 3 pi. Now, but in the graph of cos x, what happened? Cos 0 is 1. So the crust position will change like this way. And then it will be continuous. Till here. Cos 0 is 1. This is the graph somewhat of cos x. Now suppose I am in, shall I continue? Suppose I am interested in at what angles cos is becoming 0. Cos is becoming 0 where the curve is intersecting x-axis. At what angles curve is intersecting x-axis? Tell me. Curve
Pi
is
by 2, 3
intersecting
pi by 2,
x-axis
5
at
by
minus 5 pi by 2, minus pi by 2, and pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. But what does it represent? 1 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi
Sir,
by 2.
odd multiples
Odd
of pi by
multiple.
2.
In general, how to write odd number? So answer is 2n plus 1, pi by 2, n belong integer. This is the solution, general solution. Cos x is 0, means x has to be odd multiple of pi by 2. It can be negative angles also. That's why n is integer. Any doubt you can ask me? Suppose I say cos x is 1. So x is how much? Cos x is 1, then x is how much? When cos x is 1? Cos x is 1 at minus 2 pi, then at 0, at 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi. So what does 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi represent?
even multiples of
Even
pi.
multiples of pi. How to write even number?
N pi.
2n is the even number. 2n pi, n belong integer. Same way if I say cos x is minus 1. So what is the answer? So it is again odd multiple of pi. 2n minus 1 pi. N belong integer because it is minus 1 at minus 3 pi, minus pi, pi, 3 pi, 5 pi. So how to write 1 pi, 3 pi, 5 pi? It is like 2n minus 1 pi. This is correct. Or shall I write 2n plus 1 pi? 2n plus 1 will be correct or 2n minus 1? To n minus 1 pi, write down. To n minus 1 pi. Girls, do you have doubt here? Student, do you have doubt?
No, sir.
Ask me, don't hesitate. How to write in general term? We are writing 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi means 2n pi. Pi, 3 pi, 5 pi means we can write 2n minus 1 pi.
Sir, we can also write 2n plus 1 now, sir.
2n plus 1 also will work now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
Because
that's
here
much
pi
better
2 is
because
not there.
it's-
So it will work here too.
Okay, meanwhile write 2n minus 1 only, but same only. Two n plus 1. How we can get minus pi here then? Minus pi in the case of 2n plus 1.
Sir, put n equals minus 1.
And minus 1 will get. Yeah, both are correct. Shall I erase the board?
Yes, sir.
These are type 1 formulas. Suppose somebody asks you 10x is 0. Then x how much? Tell me.
All multiples of pi.
Student, what happened? 10x is 0 means x is equal to n pi only. N belong integer. Why? Because what is 10x is 0? All of you see on the board. 10x is 0 means sin x by cos x is 0. So numerator by denominator is 0. Means who is 0? Denominator or numerator? Sin x by cos x is 0. This means sin x
Numerator, sir.
implies 100% sure sin x will be 0. Then only the answer is coming 0. Sin x is 0. You know the answer now. What is sin x is 0? What is the answer?
N pi.
N pi.
That's why for this also n pi. Both same answer. Write down. 10x 0, sin x 0, same answer. Because sin x by cos x is 0 means the numerator sin x has to be 0. If denominator is 0 means it becomes infinity. Write down fast. Or by graph also you can analyze this answer. Graph also what happened? The graph will intersect x-axis at pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, minus pi only. By graph also we can do. And this way mathematically also we can study. But this formula has to be memorized. Shall I erase the board?
Yes, sir.
Next is cot x is 0. Cot x is 0 means what the answer?
Cos x should be 0.
Cos x is 0. Cos x, when cos x is 0? When cos x is 0? Nobody knows.
2n plus 1 pi.
Very good.
Multiples
Cot x
of
is
pi
0
by
means cos x by sin x is 0. Cot x means cos x by sin x. Obviously numerator has to be 0. Cos x has to be 0. And we know by this time when cos x is 0, when x is odd multiple of pi by 2. So this is the answer. This way, or by graph also we can analyze, because cot x graph will intersect the x-axis at odd multiples of pi by 2. By graph also very easily we can understand this. And this mathematically also very easy. These formulas have to be memorized. X is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
If I say cosecant x is 0, when is cosecant x 0?
So when sin x is equal to
Cosecant x 0,
0,
answer
no.
is no solution. No solution. Cosecant x is never 0, student. What is the range of cosecant x? What is the answer of cosecant x? Range of cosecant x. Anybody
Sir,
remember?
negative
It
infinity
was
to
taught
negative
because it is
1
very important. Minus
intersection
infinity
with
to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. There is no angle for which cosecant x takes the values between minus 1 and 1. You can draw the graph. Cosecant x graph will be always above 1 and below minus 1. Will it become 0 anytime?
no, sir.
Shall I draw the graph and show you, or you can just refer the graph which I gave you? Cosecant x will never become, cosecant x will not take any value between minus 1 and 1. Are you sure, or shall I teach more? Girls.
Understood, sir.
Understood.
Because range of cosecant x, answer of cosecant x is from minus infinity to minus 1 and 1 to infinity. Minus 1 and 1, no answer. Never you will get answer. So no solution. Similarly, you can write, similarly, secant x is 0. Even this also no solution. If somebody asks, there is no solution for this. No answer, no solution. Secant x is 0. Secant x also can be neighbor between minus 1 and 1. It is also from range is from minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. By this, first type of formulas are over. Now I will teach you second type of formula which are important. Shall I erase the board?
So 1 minute.
For this also same reason. Range, answer, y value, minus infinity to minus 1, 1 to infinity. Never cosecant x will take the value between minus 1 and 1, so it never becomes 0.
So done.
Now second type of formula write down, that are only important more. Even these are important. Second type write down. First formula in that set is sin x is equal to sin alpha. Alpha belong minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. These are called as principal value. Principal solution, no. Principal value. Principal value. Sin x is equal to sin alpha. If you're not understanding, again, no problem, I'll teach again. Somebody asks you what is the solution of sin x is equal to sin alpha, where alpha is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This range is called as principal value. Nobody will write now. Its answer I will write you. Answer is x is equal to, people stop writing. Sin x is equal to sin alpha. X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to power n alpha. This is the answer. How it is the answer, I will tell you. Don't write C on the board. Sin x is equal to sin alpha. Sin x is equal to sin alpha. Then how much is x? X is equal to n pi plus bracket minus 1 to power n alpha. N belong integer. This formula you have to memorize. How this formula has come, I will teach you. Proof and all, I think they will not ask in the exam and all. Obviously, competitive exam, they will not ask. Sin x is equal to sin alpha. I will take sin alpha on the left side. People don't write C on the board. Anybody has doubt? Sin alpha on the left hand side minus. Any doubt till here? Then I will use transformation formula. I will convert subtraction into product. CD formula. Sin C minus sin D. What is the answer? Sin C minus sin D. Tell me. Sin C minus sin D.
Cos
2
C
cos
minus C
2
plus D
cos
by 2.
C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. This is the answer of sin C minus sin D. I will write also as well. Sin C minus sin D, transformation formula I have used. 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. This formula I have used here. Till here doubt is there, student? Is there anyone who has doubt till here? Proof. Any doubt? Girls, any doubt? Give some reply. What
No,
will
sir.
happen to this 2? 2 is multiply. Other side will become 0 by 2. How much? 0. So it will become cos x plus alpha by 2 sine x minus alpha by 2 is equal to 0. Student, this 2 went to right hand side. 0 by 2 is 0. Any doubt till here? Any doubt?
No.
Now what is the left hand side? Cos x plus alpha by 2 into sine x minus alpha by 2. Product of how many terms? How many factors? How many factors are multiplied on left hand side?
2.
Product of two number is 0. What is the conclusion? Either first number is 0, correct na student?
Yes, sir.
Or the second number is 0. Then only product of two number is 0 na. Till here doubt is there. Either cos x plus alpha by 2 is 0 or sin x minus alpha by 2 is 0. But student, what happened by this time we know? Student, x plus alpha by 2 is an angle. How many angle? X plus alpha by 2? One angle. Cos of some angle is 0. So what is the angle then? Now only taught na. Cos theta is 0. What is theta? Hey, now only taught na. First type of formula. Cos theta is 0. So what is theta?
Sir, n pi.
Plus 1.
So x plus minus is telling. X plus alpha by 2 is n pi. See, this is one angle theta. Cos x plus alpha by 2 is 0 implies x plus alpha by 2 is n pi, or I think it is wrong, na?
Yes,
But it is
sir. It's
2n
2n plus
plus
1.
one.
Plus 1 pi by 2. Odd multiple of pi by 2. Sorry. Or what about sin x? Sin theta is 0 means what? Sin x minus alpha by 2 is 0 means x minus alpha by 2 is
N pi.
n pi. N belong integer in both the case. Till here, if anybody has doubt, ask me. Anybody has doubt? What will happen to this denominator 2 and 2? 2 and 2 will get cancelled. What I will get? I will get x plus alpha is equal to 2n plus 1 pi, because 2 and 2 cancel. Here it will not get cancelled. So this will go on the right hand side. It will become 2n pi. Then this alpha will go, because I am interested in x, so alpha will go on the right. So it will become x plus alpha will become minus alpha. 2n plus 1 pi minus alpha, and here it will become 2n pi plus alpha. After this, when you copy down, then I will continue. Copy down. People, little faster to do copying.
Completed, sir.
Now student, what happened? You know set chapter. You know what is the meaning of union? A union B, A or B or both. Or means what, student? Even the first answer is correct and even the second answer is correct. Or means this also correct, that also correct. So we have to combine both the answer and write together. So after this, directly I can write implies x is equal to how much? N pi plus minus 1 to power n alpha. But I will teach you how I wrote directly. Student, as I told you, both the answers are correct. It is not like first is right, second is wrong, or second is right, first is wrong. Both are correct. Both I have to consider and combine and write as one statement. But what is the answer which I got? Student, here you put n is integer. So put n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 put. Here also put n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. In the first case, what you will get? If you put 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me how much you'll get. Put 0. So you'll get pi minus alpha. This is only explanation. Pi minus alpha. If you put 1, you will get
3 pi
pi
minus.
minus alpha, 5 pi minus alpha, 7 pi minus alpha, 9 pi minus alpha. In the second case, put 0 and 1, 2, 3. So you will get alpha. Then if you put 2 pi plus alpha, 2 pi plus alpha, 4 pi plus alpha, 6 pi plus alpha, 8 pi plus alpha. This means, and more angles are there. I don't have to stop. All angles together I have to write. Means you have to see carefully. In the first case, it is pi minus alpha, 1 pi minus alpha, 3 pi minus alpha, 5 pi. Means whenever it is odd multiple, it is minus alpha, minus alpha, minus alpha, minus. And whenever it is even multiple, like 2 pi plus alpha, 4 pi plus alpha, 6 pi plus, means with the even multiple of pi, it is plus alpha, and odd multiple, it is minus alpha. And what I wrote, I also wrote the same thing. How? Now see here, x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to power n alpha. Put n is equal to 0. How much you will get? Student, put n is equal to 0 and tell me how much you will get.
Sir, 1,
One.
1, 1.
You will get alpha. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Put n
sir.
is equal to 2. Put n is equal to 1.
1,
1
sir,
means
alpha,
pi
sir.
minus alpha.
Alpha.
Put n is equal to 2. You will get 2 pi plus alpha. Put n is equal to 3. You will get 3 pi minus alpha. Put n is equal to 4. 4 pi plus alpha. So I have written correctly only now. This expression represent these two angles together because minus 1 to power n is there. So n will be odd. Automatically I will get minus alpha. N will be even. Automatically I will get plus alpha because minus 1 to power even number is positive. So what I have written is correct, and it represent all these angles, whether it is pi minus alpha, 3 pi minus alpha, or 2 pi plus alpha. Do you agree or not? This represent. Shall I teach again this part?
Understood, sir.
Understood. Now, both we have to combine. So we have combined in this way, n pi plus minus 1 to power n alpha, because it covers both the angles. Whenever n is odd, we'll get minus alpha because minus 1 to power odd number is negative. Whenever n is even, we'll get positive alpha, plus alpha. So all the angles are considered. So no need of writing separate. Both the statement together is written like this way, n pi plus minus 1 to power n alpha. This is the final answer. Combine both together. If anybody has doubt, it is the right time to ask. Especially girls. Doubt is there, girls? Girls?
No, sir.
Okay. So this first proof is over. Shall I erase the board? If somebody is finding so much difficult, means at least formula you remember, then also we can do the sum. Shall I erase the board? Now suppose somebody asks you cosecant x is equal to cosecant alpha. So what is the x then? Here alpha belong minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, but problem will come at 0. So minus 0, because alpha can be anything from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, but alpha cannot be 0 because cosecant 0 is how much?
Infinity.
That's why minus 0. 0 don't want. So what happens? You know the formula, na student. What formula you know? Sin x is equal to sin alpha. So how much is x? Tell. Sin x is sin alpha. So x is n pi
plus
minus 1 to
negative
power
1 to
n
the
alpha.
power n.
Now somebody asks you, don't find this one. Find cosecant x is equal to cosecant alpha. So what you will do? You will take. What you will take?
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal. So what you will get? Sin x is equal to. For this answer I know na, same answer for both. Implies x is equal to what? For both same answer only. Write down, no need of proof. Same answer only na. Cosecant x is equal to cosecant alpha means that is same as sin x is equal to sin alpha. Because this we proved. Somebody asked cosecant x means you convert into sin and you get write the same answer. If somebody want to ask something, then ask me. Whenever they gave in cosecant and cosecant alpha, convert into sin x and sin alpha and write the answer. We have done that. Take the reciprocal. Cosecant x is equal to cosecant alpha implies sin x is equal to sin alpha. Taking reciprocal. If you want, you can mention. Shall I erase the board?
Sir, just one.
For cosecant x is equal to cosecant alpha, same answer, not different answer. Convert to sin x and sin alpha. These all are formulas, but these are more important than the first type. Even that is also important.
Completed, sir.
I will go to the next formula. Sin cos x is equal to cos alpha. Write down. Next one. Cos x is equal to cos alpha. Then how much is x? So x is 2n pi plus minus alpha. If somebody asks you cos x is equal to cos alpha, then what is x?
Sir.
X is 2n pi plus minus alpha, where alpha is what? Alpha is alpha lies from 0 to pi. Principal value, not solution. 0 to pi. These are called principal values. Something you are saying, student?
Sir, I wanted to ask, there is no limit for alpha.
I wrote now. Now see here, proof. Proof means cos x is equal, proof is same only, same procedure. I'll take cos alpha on the left. You can do simultaneously if you want. Then use CD formula. Convert subtraction into product. Cos C minus cos D. Anybody remember the formula cos C minus cos D? Minus 2 cos, minus 2
Sir,
sin,
minus 2
2 sin
sin
C plus
C
D
plus
by
D by
2
2
sin C
sin
minus
C
D
minus D
by
by 2.
2 is equal to 0. This formula we have studied in trigonometry. Cos C minus cos D. This formula we are using. Minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Then again minus 2 into. So minus 2 will go on the right side and become 0. Because into now. So 0 by minus 2 is 0. Again, this is the first factor into second factor is 0. Product of two number is 0. So either first number sine x plus alpha by 2 is 0, or the second number. Either the first number is 0 or the second number is 0. There is no other option. Product of two number is 0 means either first number is 0 or second number is 0. Now what happened? When sine x plus alpha by 2 is 0, now this formula I know. Sine theta is 0 implies theta how much, student? Hey, sine theta is 0, theta how much? 2n? No, 2n no. N pi. People participate. N belong integer. Or again sine theta is 0. Suppose this angle is theta. So n how much? Theta how much? Again it is n pi. Am I teaching fast? You can stop me. And sine theta is 0. Theta is equal to n pi. N belong integer. Or no need of writing. And here also theta is equal to 0. N belong integer. Till here doubt is there. But I am interested in x. So 2 will go on the right side. It will become x plus alpha is equal to 2n pi. Or x minus alpha is equal to 2n pi. But I am interested in x only. Alpha will go on the other side. So x is equal to 2n pi minus alpha, or x is equal to 2n pi plus alpha. Student, now stop writing and see here. What we got? Answer x is 2n pi minus alpha. Also answer is x is 2n pi plus alpha. 2n pi minus alpha, 2n pi plus alpha we have to combine. So how to write together? X is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. N belong integer. This is the final answer. Easy proof. Same proof. If anybody has even a small doubt, ask me. Don't hesitate. Is it over? Same doubt is there, means to tell me. Girls, Ria, anybody, Ria? Do you have doubt, student? No, Ria. Rida,
Yes, sir.
what
No
doubt do you
doubt.
have?
No, no doubt.
V Prajwal. Student, what doubt do you have? V Prajwal.
No doubt, sir.
You have to tell the truth. Any doubt you ask me, then only I can help you. No problem. I trust you.
No doubt, sir.
Good, good. At least formulas you people have to remember. That also more than enough. I will erase the board. Shall I erase?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
what?
sir.
So now next formulas. What is the next formula? Secant x is equal to secant alpha. So here what happened? Alpha is 0 to pi, but alpha cannot be pi by 2 because secant pi by 2 is infinity. So alpha is 0 to pi minus pi by 2. But what happened? Whenever they gave in the question secant x is equal to secant alpha, you take reciprocal. What you will get?
1 by cos.
So reciprocal is cos x is equal to
X equal
cos
to
alpha. And cos x is equal to cos alpha. That solution I know. What is solution? X is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha and belong integer. So cos x is equal to cos alpha and secant x is equal to secant alpha has same answer. 2n pi plus minus alpha. No need of proofing again. Copy down. Is it over?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I'll erase the board. We'll go to next proof. 10x is equal to 10 alpha. 10x is equal to 10 alpha. Alpha belong open bracket minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 because at minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, 10 is infinity and minus infinity. So that's why open bracket, not close bracket. So if 10x is equal to 10 alpha, so what is x? X is equal to n pi plus alpha. This is the answer. 10x is equal to 10 alpha means x is equal to n pi plus alpha. Proof, very simple proof. People stop writing and see on the board. 10x is equal to 10 alpha. Change it into sine and cos. 10x means sine x by cos x. 10 alpha means sine alpha by cos alpha. Cross multiply. Cross multiply means we'll get sine x into cos alpha, sine alpha into cos x. Sine x, everything, all the terms take on the left side, minus sine alpha cos x. Something wrong I wrote. Cos x. Whose formula is this? Sine x cos alpha minus sine alpha cos x.
Sin
It's
alpha
sine
minus.
alpha.
Very good. Compound angle. Sine x minus alpha is equal to 0. Now students, sine of an angle is 0. So what can you tell about the angle? Sine theta. Theta how much?
N pi.
N pi. But I am interested in only x. So x is equal to n pi minus alpha will become plus alpha. N belong integer. This is the answer. Write down. Formulas at least you have to memorize. 10x is equal to 10 alpha. What is the answer? X is equal to n pi plus alpha. N belong integer. Alpha you have to keep in mind that it varies from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. These are called as principal value, not solution. Be little fast, student.
Done, sir.
Then again, cot x. Somebody asks, don't ask you 10x. is equal to 10 alpha, but cot x is equal to cot alpha. So at once you do directly, you do reciprocal. Cot x is equal to cot alpha implies 10x is equal to 10 alpha, and this answer we know. 10x is equal to 10 alpha means x is equal to n pi plus alpha, not plus minus, only plus alpha. N belong integer over. Cot x is equal to cot alpha has same answer as 10x is equal to 10 alpha.
So, in tan we wrote n pi plus alpha, right?
Here also n pi plus alpha.
Yeah. So, why is it not plus minus?
We didn't approve how plus minus was coming.
Yeah, but okay.
Say
Sir,
10 pi
Here,
minus,
I'll-
wait, this girl doubt. 10 pi minus alpha and 10 pi plus alpha. Do both have same answer?
Yes, I understood. I
They have
understood.
different
I just got
answer.
confused on-
No problem. 10 pi plus alpha means third quadrant, 10 is positive. You tell boy what you're saying.
sir, their alpha belongs to that the
This
principal.
only, this range.
Yes, sir. Minus 0 should also be no, sir.
Hey, I
because-
wrote wrong this one. Sorry, this you change. This one wrong.
Yes.
This is from 0 to something wrong now then. All ulta pulta. For secant x I wrote again.
Yes, sir. For secant you wrote again, sir.
What did I wrote?
Sir, alpha belongs to closed bracket 0 and pi minus pi by 2.
Here it is 0 to pi. 0 to pi. This is the answer. 0 to pi. Open bracket 0 to pi. Secant x I have changed now. It is from 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Did I change? Secant x.
Yes.
Hello? For secant x, did I change the range?
You have given close bracket 0 to pi minus pi by 2.
That is correct. This is also correct. Open bracket 0 to pi, because 0 and pi. What is this? Correct. Now 0 and pi, cot becomes infinity. Shall I erase the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now second type of formulas are over. Third type of formula, write down. Third type. Third type, very easy. Somebody asks you sine square x is equal to sine square alpha. Don't write. Sine square x is equal to sine square alpha. Then what is x? X is how much? So you say x is
Sir, it
equal
would be
to,
the same, sir.
no, sine square x is equal to sine square alpha. X is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Wait, I will tell you. Cos square x is equal to cos square alpha. For this also same answer. All same answer. X is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Somebody asks you 10 square x is equal to 10 square alpha. Again same answer. Write down the answer, then I will tell the proof. Sine square x is equal to sine square alpha. Cos square x is equal to cos square alpha. 10 square x is equal to 10 square alpha. In fact, the other three also, because reciprocal you can take. The answer will be same. X is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Proof we'll see, and then we'll see what answer will come. All three same answer.
Sir?
This is, tell me.
Is the reciprocal also the same?
Reciprocal also same answer. Here, okay, write down. Principal value also same only for this. Write yourself. Principal value also same, but don't worry. One time you remember principal value. Same only principal value. Shall I raise the board?
Yes, sir.
First proof will do. All proof same only. First proof, this proof will do. So how to prove? Sine square x is equal to sine square alpha. Stop writing. Multiply both side by 2. Multiply both side by 2. So what it becomes, what will be the changes? 2 sine square x is equal to 2 sine square alpha. In trigonometry, I told you there's one very important formula which is used so many times. Anybody
1
remember?
minus cos
2
to
sine square x formula.
2x.
1
Sir, 1
minus.
minus cos 2x.
Same way here. 1 minus cos. Very much used formula this is. So many times it is used. 2 sine square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta. This formula I am using here. Anybody has problem? What will happen to 1 and 1? Hey, 1
It'll
what
get
will
cancel,
cancel.
sir.
So minus cos 2x is equal to minus cos 2 alpha. Minus minus also cancel. Cos 2x is equal to cos 2 alpha. Till here, if anybody has doubt, ask me. Student, 2x or theta same. It is same as cos theta is equal to cos alpha. So we know the formula now, second type formula. When cos theta is equal to cos alpha, what is the answer? Theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. See here, this is theta and this is alpha. So just type two formulas. Second one you see, cos x is equal to cos alpha, but here 2x and 2 alpha are there. So x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha, but alpha means 2 alpha. Anybody has doubt here? If you want, I can write here. We know this formula. Cos x is equal to cos alpha. So what is the answer? X is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Just now we studied this formula. Ask me doubt, student. Anybody has doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
What will happen to 2, 2, 2?
Cancelled.
So we get n pi plus minus alpha. Proof is over. Very simple proof. 2, 2, 2 will get cancelled.
Sir,
Tell me.
could you explain again after the second? Okay, wait.
Here, this formula we
No,
use.
down.
From
Four.
here we have used this formula. 2 sine square theta is.
I understood that, sir.
1 and 1 will get cancelled.
Yeah, I got that also.
Then minus minus cancel.
Yeah, after that.
After that, this formula, student, in the previous type 2 formulas, here is there now. See, somebody asked you, what is the formula of cos x is equal to cos alpha? So check the formula. Just now, before I gave you, see the notes and tell me, cos x is equal to cos alpha, then x how much? See the formula and tell.
2n pi plus minus alpha.
But now it is not x, now it is 2x. But 2x is also an angle and x is also an angle. So formula will be same. But in the place of x, what I'm supposed to write? 2x. So I will write 2x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. But in this time, the angle is not alpha. The angle is how much? 2 alpha. So I will write 2 alpha.
Okay, understood.
Now 2, 2, 2 will get cancelled. So no problem. You can ask me now. So here we use this formula. Cos x is equal to cos alpha. Anybody has doubt, ask me. Later, don't tell me that not understood. Ask, I will teach. Shall I raise the board?
Sir, 1 minute.
Done, sir.
Now next one
Hey,
is.
sir, wait.
No, I will not erase. Second one is cos square x is equal to cos square alpha. For this also, answer is same. So proof will do now.
Sir, before this, sir, could you just show the proof of cot x is equal to cot alpha the way you showed for tan x is equal to tan alpha?
I will show the proof. But But what did you not understand?
Sir, over there you will get sine alpha minus x is equal to 0, right? So then you'll get n pi is equal to alpha minus x.
Okay, you're saying the full proof you do. Okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Cot x is equal to cot alpha. Suppose we don't go by the shortcut. Cos x by nobody will write cos alpha by. Is it correct, student? What I'm doing? Cos by sine, cos by sine. Cross multiply. Cos x is into sine alpha. Cos alpha into sine x. So cos x sine alpha. Am I doing correct, student? Is it correct? Now what I should write now? Whose formula is this?
Sine alpha minus x.
Sine alpha minus x, or we can say sine x minus alpha. Doesn't matter. Okay, saying
If-
alpha minus x I should write. That is your doubt.
Yes, sir. If it's
Okay.
alpha minus x, the formula changes, right?
Good, good. So you're saying correct. Actually, this is the formula of sine alpha minus x. But what happened? I will not write this way. I will say multiply both side by minus 1. Then is it okay or not? Multiply both side by
Yes, yes.
minus 1. So what will happen now? This will become positive sin x cos alpha minus cos x sin alpha. Now, obviously, this is the formula of sin
Sine x minus.
x minus alpha. This way also we can manipulate now. Are you convinced or
Yeah.
not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good, good. This way you should ask doubt. What I should write now? 2n pi. So, wait, something wrong I
Sir,
wrote.
n pi, n
N
pi.
pi. So, x is equal to. I hope you are convinced now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Very much.
Okay, now see here, what we were studying, cos square x is equal to cos square alpha. So x is equal to same formula. First we'll do and proof and all they will not ask. Cos square x is equal to cos square alpha. Multiply, don't say them. Multiply both sides by 2. If you are forgetting me, I'll write. Multiply both sides by 2. So what it becomes? 2 cos square x is equal to 2 cos square alpha. Again, very useful formula I told you that time. 2 cos square theta. What is that equal to? 2 cos square theta. Tell me fast.
1 plus
1
cos 2
plus
theta.
cos 2x, and here also 1 minus cos 1 plus cos 2 alpha. Because this formula is 1 plus cos 2 theta. This formula very much used. 1 and 1 will get cancelled. I get cos 2x is equal to cos 2 alpha. Now it is same only now. Last result only. Cos 2x is equal to cos 2 alpha. So here only cos x is equal to cos alpha. Then what is the answer? X is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Here also 2x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. But my alpha is not alpha, 2 alpha. 2 cancel. So x is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. N belong integer. Write down.
Done, sir.
Easy, Manle. Boys, shall I raise the board?
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Write fast. Time is running.
Sir, is it 8 for the day?
No, 4 type is there.
Sir, it's 8:35.
Simple one formula only. Fast, you're not writing now. Write fast. 10 square alpha is equal to. Will you do this proof yourself? 10 square x equal to 10 square alpha. Shall I give a homework this one?
Yes, sir.
How you will do? Tell. Again, same only will do. See
Same,
on the
sir.
same only. Answer, girls. See on the board. They have given us 10 square x is equal to 10 square alpha. This is, we can use componendo dividendo also, but suppose we don't not use that. What we'll do? Add 1 on both side. Add 1 on both side. Add 1 means what I should write? 1 plus 10 square x. 1 plus 10 square alpha. This is first equation. Second equation. multiply first equation by -1. Multiply first equation by -1. Minus 10 square x minus
Sir,
10 square alpha. Third equation. Add 1 on,
sir,
yes.
sir, you can directly do using the identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 6 square
Very good. That
theta.
way also we can do. Very good. But let us do this way. Add 1 on both sides of 3. Here add 1, 1. What you will get? 1 minus, I think you're not understanding. Who is not understanding? Who is not understanding? Add 1 on both sides. Then multiply 1 by first equation by -1. Multiply. Then again add 1 on both sides. So 1 minus 10 square x, 1 minus 10 square alpha. This is fourth equation. Now what I will do, I think you can see here, fourth equation divided third equation. Divide fourth equation by third equation. No. Divide fourth equation by second equation. If you divide fourth equation by second equation, what you will get? 1 minus 10 square x by 1 plus 10 square x. And here you will get, people are not helping me, 1 minus 10 square alpha by 1 plus 10 square alpha. Will you get or not, girls?
Yes, sir.
Not understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whose formula is this? Hey, formula forgot. Whose formula is this?
Sir, cos 2 alpha.
Cos 2x. 4 formulas now. Here cos 2 alpha. Now cos 2x is cos 2 alpha. We know what is the answer. 2x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. 2 cancel. So n pi plus minus alpha. Same only this is. This is the formula of cos 2x, cos 2 theta. This type also over. Only one type is remaining. Shall I do that also fast? And if I do that type, only one in that type only one formula is there. If I do that,
Sir,
then the theory part will get over of this chapter.
sir,
theory.
I have a doubt.
You have a doubt. Okay, you only tell the doubt. What doubt only?
Sir, when I was solving some physics problems,
In physics,
sir, I got tan theta is equal to 2, and I had to find sine 2 theta.
We know sine 2 theta how much? 2 tan
Yes,
theta
sir.
by 1 plus 10 square theta.
Sir, one substitute and get the value.
Sine 2 theta is equal to 4 by 5.
Yes, sir. So, sir, physics sir told us that this is in this right triangle, theta will be 53 degrees approximately. So 2 theta is good 53 degrees, no, sir.
Now this angle will be, I don't know how much. Sine of which angle is 4 by 5?
Sir, approximately 53 degrees, sir.
The 2 theta only 43 now.
Yes, sir. Then half of 53 will be some value below 45 degrees, no, sir. Then how is tan theta is equal to 2? That's
correct,
my doubt.
Correct, very good. How 10
That
theta?
was my doubt.
10 45 only 1 now.
Yes, sir. That was my doubt.
So what you're saying that is wrong. 4 by 5 how much, student? Divide and tell me. 4 by 5 divide 0.8. Correct?
Yes, sir. 0.8.
0.8. And sine 60 how much? Sine 60.
Root 3 by 2.
Sine 90 how much? Sine 90. Sine 91.
Yes, sir. 1.
Sine 80 degree you find. Sine 85 degree you find, boy. It will come 0.8 only, I think. Now you have to see. Do you have calculator?
Yes, sir. I'll check it.
See, everything is maths means nothing can be wrong. We are only wrong actually. So we find sine. It will be more than. But sine 45 only will get. But sine it should be more than 45 now. This one. Tan theta is 2.
Sir, I wrote in calculator sine 53 degrees. I got 0.798.
How much? 53 degree.
Yes, sir.
Sine 53 degree, how much?
0.798.
So 53 degree is only 4/5. But how then answer? Okay. Don't know. I'll think and tell you tomorrow for next day. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
I'll
Okay,
think.
sir.
But what you're saying is correct. Only. Other people are in doubt.
No.
Okay, then one more formula is there. 4 type we'll do on Wednesday. Learn this formula and be ready for more sums on Wednesday. Good night.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
So.